Hi there. What I'm going to do right now is show you how to solve using elimination. So given the two equations, 2x plus 5y equals 17 and 6x minus 5y equals negative 9. I'm going to label these. This one's going to be equation A and then equation B. Anytime we're talking about elimination, that means we need to eliminate one of our variables. Well, if you notice here, I have a positive 5y and then a negative 5y. So I can eliminate those. So positive 5y minus 5y cancels. Well, here I'm going to do positive 2x plus 6x, which is 8x, equals 17 minus 9 is 8. So now all I need to do is solve for x. So I'm going to divide both sides by 8. Therefore, x equals 1. Now that I know what x is, all I need to do is plug this into either one of the equations to solve for y. I'm just going to use equation A, so 2x plus 5y equals 17. So 2 times 1 plus 5y equals 17. So 2 plus 5y equals 17. Subtract 2 from both sides. So 5y equals 15. Divide by 5, so y equals 3. Remember, we always write these in coordinate form, x, y, so this would be 1, 3 for my answer. All right, let's try another one like this before we get to a more difficult problem. So for example here, I have negative 3x minus 3y equals 9 and 3x minus 4y equals 5. Here's equation A and equation B. Well, if I'm using elimination, I know right off the bat I can eliminate right here because a negative 3x and a positive 3x gives me 0. So now I'm going to combine everything that's the same. So negative 3y minus 4y gives me negative 7y, which equals 9 plus 5 is 14. So I'm going to divide by negative 7. Therefore, y equals negative 2. So now I just need to plug this into either one of my equations and solve. I'm going to go with equation A. So negative 3x minus 3y equals 9. So negative 3x minus 3 times negative 2 equals 9. So negative 3x plus 6 equals 9. Subtract 6 from both sides. So negative 3x equals 3. Divide by negative 3. So x equals negative 1. Now we always write this in coordinate form. So x, y. So x is negative 1, y is negative 2. And here's my answer on this one. All right, so we're going to try one that's a little bit more difficult real quick. And guys, if you need to pause me and write this down, please feel free. So here I'm going to give us equation A, which is negative 2x plus 15y equals negative 32. And then equation B, which is 7x minus 5y equals 17. Well, if you notice right now, there's nothing that just cancels. Negative 2 plus 7 is 5. Positive 15 minus 5 is 10. So what I've got to do is I've got to find a way to either make my x's cancel or my y's cancel. Well, if you notice, if I do negative 5 times 3, it'll give me negative 15. So this will cancel pretty easily. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this entire equation by 3. So let me write equation A over here real quick, and it's going to stay the exact same. So negative 2x plus 15y equals negative 32. Now for equation B, I've got to multiply everything by 3. 3 times 7, 21x. 3 times negative 5, negative 15y. 3 times 17 is 51. So now if you notice right here, these will cancel. So this cancels. I have negative 2x plus 21x, which is 19x, and that equals Negative 32 plus 51 is 19. So now I'm going to divide both sides by 19, therefore x equals 1. Now all I've got to do is plug this into either one of the equations. I'm going to go ahead and plug it into B. So if I have 7x minus 5y equals 17. So 7 times 1 minus 5y equals 17. So 7 minus 5y equals 17. I'm going to subtract 7 from both sides. So negative 5y equals 10. So I'm going to divide both sides by negative 5. Therefore, y equals negative 2. So now when I go to write this in coordinate form, it's going to be x, y. So I'm going to have 1 comma negative 2. If you guys have questions, please reach out to me and let me know. Thanks.